chosen destiny. Knew that we'd meet eventually, because I hear your voice inside my dreams. Yeah, even in an emergency, know that you can depend on me. When we're together, there's nothing that we can't achieve. I'm running so fast, my heart beats so fast. Adrenaline, excitement, having fun. Oh, will it all last? Stay with me today. Now that we'll protect you, keep you safe. We were born in different worlds, so far